I don't think the.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, awesome, sick.
You're the best, Bobby.
Thank you, Bobby. Based Bobby. BB.
Definitely.
Okay. So we have Boner versus Goldman Snakes. Whoa, I thought Juno was Goldman Snacks.
Whoa.
We were joking around at UIC saying he should be Silverman Snakes. Dude. Okay, so Boner is a guy from MDVA, more specifically Nova, Northern Virginia. I was playing against him not too long ago, and he's pretty good. He's a super technical Falco.
Yeah.
And I know for a fact that Juna, aka Goldman Snacks, he's like a super lame Sheik. He doesn't go for like the styles
like
or
most
anything.
Sheiks are.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was watching his warm. He looked pretty good.
Yeah, dude, he's pretty good.
Let's see.
And he's only been playing for like less than a year. He started in like March or April.
Nice. It's good to see. Oh, it's a great start now. Ooh, could have been a down air, I guess.
That's because East Coast is the best, man.
I guess.
Oh man, Nubs is such a buster for not showing up.
Good, dude. One less person for me.
Oh yeah. Free money. We're in it.
Yeah. I got the first round bye. Oh. Speaking of technical.
Man, they have to pick the grossest color in my opinion. I don't like. The green
I like green. I like green Sheik. I don't like green Falco.
I don't like green Falco either. I don't like green Sheik
And on a green stage. I just wanted to blend in.
Oh man, Ivan and the Cicero boys, they're just invading the chat.
Dan's game. This is the tech chase.
I just Sam.
There are a lot of people here today that are just using their name.
Yeah, that's because I just recently got hired by Uniqlo, which is a Japanese clothing company. So I just put down like Uniqlo Sam.
Nice. Yeah, I need a tag for my. I only need like a 6 sponsor.
They're not a sponsor.
I'm
They're
just
just
Mike.
my employer.
I know. I need something to put in front of my name. I'm just Mike.
Why didn't you have a tag at all?
I don't know. I didn't really think about it in my first tournament.
Who do you play?
Fox Falco.
Oh, you should be. Oh, you should think of
Spacey Mike. Yeah,
Spacey Mike.
I'll be Spacey Mike.
Or Space Jam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in that case, I don't really have a tag.
Yeah. Just Space Jam.
Space Jam.
Yeah, dude. Everybody loves Space Jam. Everybody loves Mike.
Hey, is Bobby sub to anyone? Is he sub to anyone so you can use other people's emotes?
No, I don't think so. Oh man, but my student is beating the East Coast right now.
Yeah, Midwest showing up right now. Lots of shines.
This is like a really commanding lead. I'd be like mega surprised if Boner took it back.
He might be able to. He SD'd the first game, so we'll see if that made it a
Is
first
Sam
time.
Smart the first Smart the Avengers going to beat? No, it won't be. We're on the opposite sides of the bracket.
What seed are you on?
What?
Are you the first seed?
I'm second seed.
I'm the 5th.
Avengers first seed.
It's too good for us.
Yeah.
Good counter pick.
Oh man, let's see. Let's hope that we see more lasers from Boner. Boner was just going in.
Yeah, he didn't really use them much last game. I mean, it's kind of hard on Yoshi's, but
Yeah.
he's got to stop SDing inside Bs. Maybe that's why he wasn't shooting lasers. Kind of scared.
The Avenger and I are like 2-2 right now.
Like 0-4 against him.
Oh.
Is this like the top 5 seeds right here, actually?
I think. Oh man, we should have a 5-way commentary.
Oh, that'd be sick. Yeah, just hop over.
Oh. Man, there's not really much to do on this like transformation, since it looks like Juna's just gonna lame him out.
Yeah, well, I appreciate that he's going with the chain. Hey, MC, can you mod me? Just like click on Mike's 27. I've always wanted to be a mod of the channel.
I'm not sure how safe that really is.
Yeah, I know. There's so much lag on that. If I was the Falco, I'd go in.
Yeah.
See, and he died. Commanding lead right now.
Is it just one of those things that you don't see it ever, so you don't know how to react to it?
Yeah, especially at like this level. Only like YouTube King will pull that out.
Yeah.
Just troll. I already did.
I mean, like, even Mewtwo King like trolls West Balls with that chain stuff.
Yeah, anyone.
Yep, we do.
Nice.
Oh man.
Oh.
I know. Wait, who took the mod off of me? Probably Azu. we're abusing our powers.
Yeah. Bobby's not happy right now.
We're just gonna make everybody mod that we think is a homie.
Unmod Nubs. I
Yeah.
think he deserves it.
Yeah, Nubs shouldn't be mod anymore. Actually, you know what? Mod me while you're at it. At least he prevented the 4-stock. That's all that really matters.
It wasn't SD though.
Yeah, true.
But I don't think you would have had it anyway. This is doable. Oh, never mind. Not doable.
Just get that ledge.
Okay.
Hang on. Good. 1 stock's not a lead. That's what we always say in the East Coast.
Yeah.
Then we kind of start sweating when we get 2 stocks.
Oh wow, that shine didn't hit. That was crazy. Oh, Sheik. Oh my god, that was a nice way.
Oh man.
Finally
Ooh,
got him.
good reaction.
Yeah. We can end this right now. Yeah, nice.
Ooh, there we go. Grab a ledge. Jump
tilt.
up. Oh,
nice.
that works too.
That was a nice turnaround.
That's
You gotta do. So many people just roll up, hoping that they go to the ledge. You just gotta get do regular get up. Unsafe there. Oh, that was a slick wave dash.
This is still doable.
Oh, nice.
Get that
okay,
dunk.
we got a match.
All you need to
can
do
definitely
is
do this.
just like laser approach and just
stay safe.
tank 'em.
You can't afford to get grabbed here.
Yeah.
Too much pressure.
I think one thing that kids should learn is never roll across to your opponent.
Yeah.
I see like so many times they keep doing that.
Yeah, that's all we're looking for. Like, it's pretty easily punished.
Just rolls in general.
Mhm. They're good. They're good sometimes. They just gotta.
Yeah, you have to find an application to everything.
Just
But
not
normally
roll center stage.
yeah, the application is normally never to roll across your opponent.
Probably gotta play my match.
I'm just gonna wait. Ivan or Teen, do you want to commentate?